Have you ever been hanging out with friends, splitting a bill, and realized someone only has Venmo while you prefer PayPal? Or maybe you're online shopping and see that sweet deal, but the checkout only accepts PayPal. Frustrating, right? Cash seems like a relic of the past these days, and digital payment apps are king. But with so many options, compatibility can become a real headache. Today, we're diving into the world of Venmo and PayPal, two titans in the digital payment arena. Specifically, we're tackling the question, can you transfer money directly from Venmo to PayPal? Let's set the stage. Venmo, known for its friendly social features, thrives on connecting friends and splitting costs. PayPal, on the other hand, leans more towards established businesses and online transactions. They cater to different needs, but sometimes our financial needs don't neatly fit into those categories. So, can you bridge the gap and send money directly between these two platforms? The short answer is no, not directly. There's no built-in transfer function within either app to move money between them. But fear not, because there are workarounds. We'll explore a few options depending on your situation. Option 1. Transfer to your bank account, the two-step. This approach involves using your bank account as a middle ground. Here's how it works. Venmo to bank. Within the Venmo app, navigate to the transfer section and choose to transfer the desired amount to your linked bank account. This might take 1 to 3 business days to process, depending on your bank. Bank to PayPal. Once the money hits your bank account, log into your PayPal account and initiate a transfer from your bank account balance to your PayPal. Processing times for this step also typically fall within 1 to 3 business days. Keep in mind, this method might incur some fees. Both Venmo and your bank might charge a small transfer fee, so be sure to factor that into your calculations. Option 2. Use a debit card, the potentially faster option. If you're impatient and willing to take on a potential fee, here's another option. Venmo to debit card. Similar to the bank transfer, you can initiate a transfer from Venmo to your linked debit card. However, there's a catch. Venmo treats debit card transfers like ATM withdrawals, which often come with a fee. Check your Venmo fees to know the exact cost before proceeding. Debit card to PayPal. Once the money lands on your debit card, you can then transfer it to your PayPal account. Processing times here can vary depending on your bank, but it's generally faster than a standard bank transfer. The fee factor. This option can be a double whammy on the fee front. Not only might Venmo charge for the debit card transfer, but your bank could also tack on a processing fee for receiving the money. Option 3. Get creative with a friend, the social butterfly option. Here's where the social aspect of Venmo comes in handy. Friend is a bridge. Ask a friend who uses both Venmo and PayPal to act as a middleman. You send them the money via Venmo, and they, in turn, transfer it to your PayPal account. Clear communication. This method hinges on clear communication. Make sure your friend understands the exact amount and ensure you can pay them back promptly through Venmo or another method. The social cost. This option relies on a trustworthy friend who's willing to help out. Make sure to express your gratitude and potentially offer to return the favor in the future. The verdict, patience or fees. As you can see, there's no magical send to PayPal button within Venmo. The best option depends on your priorities. If speed is crucial, the debit card transfer might be tempting, but be prepared for potential fees. The bank transfer method offers a more traditional approach, but again, factor in processing times and potential fees. Beyond the workarounds, the future of transfers? The financial technology landscape is constantly evolving. While there's no direct transfer functionality yet, who knows what the future holds? Maybe someday, Venmo and PayPal will join forces and streamline the process. Until then, these workarounds can help you navigate the sometimes tricky world of digital payments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.